Good morning! My name is Jacob O. Banganiban. Today, I will demonstrate a simple act of respect to the Philippine tradition of pagmamano. This tradition has been practiced by Filipinos for many generations as a way of showing love, humility, gratitude, and respect to parents, grandparents, and older relatives. By gently placing our elder's hand on our forehead and saying "Manu po," we honor their wisdom, sacrifices, and guidance. Although it is a simple gesture, pagmamano reminds us to value our elders and preserve the beautiful traditions of Filipino culture.
Good morning, Ma. Ano po? God bless you.
So, what did I do? I showed respect by performing the Filipino tradition of pagmamano to my parents. I greeted them politely, asked for their blessings by saying "Manu po," and expressed my love and gratitude through this simple but meaningful gesture. 2. Who did I help? I made my parents feel honored, respected, and appreciated. Through this act, I also helped strengthen our family bond by showing that I value their love, guidance, wisdom, and their sacrifices they made for our family. Finally, how did your actions show respect to human dignity? Doing pagmamano is a Filipino tradition that reminds us to honor and appreciate our elders. It shows that we value their wisdom, love, and sacrifices. By respecting them, we recognize their dignity and express our gratitude. Respect is an important Filipino value. Through simple traditions like pagmamano, we can show love, gratitude, and respect to our elders. Thank you for watching. Bye!